In this video, I will show you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Now on WhatsApp, you need to tap this Meta AI icon and you will have this next screen where you can ask Meta AI anything. And as you can see, you can first try with these ideas and questions to see how the AI will answer your questions. You can then like or dislike the information, and if you like it, you can copy it to elsewhere. Meta AI can also generate images, and you need first to tag Meta AI followed by the word imagine, then describe the kind of image you want, and you will have your image on the screen to download. In addition, you can use Meta AI on your personal, group, or community chats, and you need first to tag Meta AI before asking it any question or information. And you can also chat with emojis. The AI will then provide the information together with its source, i.e. from Bing, which will be sent to the people you are chatting with. Moreover, you can use Meta AI on other Meta applications like Facebook and Instagram in addition to WhatsApp. The AI which uses the Llama AI model is also available as a website and app. And if you don't have Meta AI on WhatsApp or on other Meta applications, you can try updating your applications or wait for the optional feature to be available to you. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.